but I'm going to move it. It's in the way. It's in the way because it's so close to the center point. When I'm doing small objects like a pen blank or a small tea light or something like that, I can't, it gets in the way. My wrist hits it, and the fact that I have this on makes it even worse because now I got extra padding in there that's pushing me away. It's just a nuisance. It's in the way a lot of times, so I'm going to move it. Now the wires are short in here, so you don't want to yank on it, but you need to reach in and unplug. These 3 wires have a little white plug on it. I'll show you in a minute, and you need to unplug that from the circuit board. When that's unplugged, it leaves you with these 2 wires, which are your power wires. Okay, I could get all complicated and take the headstock off and get into the original connection inside there where it connects to the wire that comes up from the switch and into the light here, but I like to keep things simple, so I'm just going to cut these wires, leaving me enough room to solder an extension on. But before I cut them, I'm going to mark each wire so I connect them to the same. So I'll put 1 line there, 1 line here. This one I'll put 2 lines, and that one I'm not going to mark at all. And down here on the yellows, I'll mark one of them just to be sure in case there's any polarity issues. I believe these may be DC coming from the switch, but they might be 110, but in any case, make sure it's unplugged before you cut anything. So now I'm going to solder longer wires on here so I can push them back into the hole and come out to the bottom here and over to where I want to mount it. And same with these, I'll solder and extend these wires and feed them on down through and make a plate to cover that. In case you're wondering how this all works, these wires here are connected to a little optic eye. It shoots a beam of light from one side to the other, and in between there is this disc. You can see those teeth moving. Those teeth go in between that optical eye and breaks the beam. Little circuit board in there counts how many times them teeth break that beam, and the faster it breaks that beam, the faster your motor's spinning.